Step number 3 is my favorite. Step number 3, well, up till now we started with a plus, then we just did all 4 corners, and now we're going to start working on the second row. You're going to notice all these pieces are not quite right. When we're finished, all 4 of these sides, or all of the sides, will be correct. Okay, so first thing we do is we search the bottom for a piece to put in there. Okay, again, everything has a specific spot, and this is green-orange, so green-orange has to come over here, and green-orange is actually going to go right here between the green and the orange. So this piece needs to go here. To put it there, you actually line it up with the color. So since this is green, it's going to line up with the green. If orange was here, we'd actually start right here. Okay. So this one's actually pretty easy, and you just need to remember 5, 4. So you go forward 5 and backwards 4. Let me show you what I mean. So this piece needs to go here, so I'm going to turn the side piece to put it right where it needs to go, and notice that puts it right where it needs to go. That's the first turn. Okay, notice what direction I'm going. My pointer finger's moving away from me. So I'm going to repeat that 5 times, then reverse 4. So here's the first 5. Here we go. 1, then you're going to do the bottom, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now backwards 4. Before my finger was going away, now my finger's going to return. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to notice that piece is now where it belongs. Okay? So just to show how that does it, we're going to do it one more time. Here's orange-blue. Okay? We want that to go right here. So I need to line it up with the orange. Okay? Not the blue, because the blue is not on this side. And I need to do it again the same way. So I hold it with my thumb here because I'm not going to turn any of those 4. I'm only going to be turning this as well as that. Okay? Now this piece needs to go here. Notice that's the spot it needs to go, so I'm going to remember that's my first turn. And I'm going to go 5 forward, 4 back. So here's my first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my finger went away. My pointer finger went away in those. So I'm going to repeat, but now my pointer is going to come towards me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you do it right, you'll end with that spot there and your white's all fixed. If you ever do that and it's messed up, you went the wrong direction. So that's something you got to practice. It's really easy to mess that up. So, all right, next one. So now this is kind of funny, and this happens once in a while. I've got 2 more pieces. This one's actually in the right spot, but they're just switched. And this one's in the right spot, but switched, which means none of them are down in these bottom 4 corners. So to work on this, I have to actually get it out. Okay, let's get this piece out right here. To get it out, I'm going to move another piece into that spot. So I do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to still do the 5, 4, but I'm putting this piece over here to get that piece out. So I go, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that didn't fix anything, but it did put that piece there, and it pulled this piece out, so now I can actually work on it. So I'm going to move the green here, green, and the next piece is orange, so it needs to go here. When I turn it, that's where it's going to be, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it goes. It's right where it needs to go, which means there's just one last spot. Okay. Now again, that's the right piece, but it's in there the wrong way. So I need to get something in there to pull it out. So I'm going to put this piece there. So swinging it that way to get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I just pulled that piece out. Just got to find it. There it is. And I need to line it up because I'm now going to put it in the right spot. Did I do that right? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. Goes there for my first turn. So 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's there. And my last piece, I think I did it wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got the wrong piece out. But this time I may. There we go. Now I got it. So there's blue, red. It's going to need to go right here to finish that second row. So I'm going to turn it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now backwards 1, 2, 3, 4. And my top 2 rows are finished.